Top 5 rules and laws nobody obeys. Number 5. Only download music, games, movies you currently own. Hidden in the fine print of most download sites is the oddball requirement that we only download things that we have already paid for and own. If that rule were written in an ancient caveman language that went extinct 15,000 years ago, it would make more sense. If you own the media, why download it? So why do they post this rule? Well, simply because they have to. Number 4. Shower before using a public pool or beach. We should all do this. Most of us are quite dirty and disgusting. So to enter a public pool reeking of dirt, sweat and bacteria is fairly wrong. But do you remember to do this more than once every so often? Unless you're a germaphobe, probably not. After all, you're going into the water anyway. You'll get clean there. Number 3. Employees wash hands before returning to work. Public pool part 2. Obviously, any worker should do this, especially if their job involves raw meat or sewage or money, which the customer just used to wipe his nose right in front of you. Do some wash up? Of course. Do enough people do it? Definitely not, if all the sick people are to be believed. Number 2. Don't jaywalk. If you've never jaywalked before, then you probably haven't been outside ever. You jaywalk when you cross the street with no crosswalk or walk when the light clearly says don't walk. This crime is something you see 100 people doing every hour on the hour, which would account for officers almost never busting people for it unless it causes a real hassle or the cop feels like being difficult that day. Number 1. No home gambling. In most places, any kind of home game, save for ones where no money is on the line and the poker chips are actually potato chips, is illegal. Why? Because outside of casinos, gambling is just plain against the law. Of course, most officers are too busy to crack down on every 4-player game held on the planet, so unless complaints are piling up and they have to investigate, this law doesn't get enforced. So feel free to gamble with your buddies next Thursday night. Just keep in mind that it just takes one irate cop with an attitude issue.